Look at the parrot puzzle I just finished. It took me 10 days to finish it. Look at that, a parrot puzzle. Look at that. And that's a parrot puzzle, and that's 1,000 pieces. And this is the days how long it's been doing it for. So how long I was doing it for. It took a while than I thought. Wow. Oh, I'm missing just 2 pieces only, just 2. But it's okay. This piece missing there and there, but it's okay. It's probably in the, never mind. Pretty cool though. Oh, this house called puzzle, parrot puzzle. It's kind of cool though. And that's the puzzle looks like. And something cool about this puzzle is it has, let me show you. Like something cool about it has, watch. Ready for it? There's the poster for it. So it's kind of cool. So it came with the poster, and that's kind of cool. So, not bad. At least. So, don't forget to subscribe and comment a big thumbs up in comments if you need to channel as well.